Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be studying a new chapter, chapter number 23, Pochampalli. Please open the book and let's study. What is the meaning of Pochampalli? Pochampalli is basically a special cloth that is most of the families weave in Pochampalli town. Where is Pochampalli town? It is in Telangana, and this town is famous for this cloth, special kind of a cloth which is known as Pochampalli. And this kind of a cloth is basically used for many purposes, for making saris, for making cloth, and this cloth is used everywhere and it is a handmade cloth. Pochampalli. It is a traditional occupation, and traditional occupation are those occupation which passes from one generation to next generation. In Pochampalli, it is basically a traditional occupation is being done, which is done by looms, by weaving the cloth. And there are many other traditional occupations like toy making, carpet weaving, etc. So, Pochampalli cloth is basically a traditional occupation done in Telangana. Threads used in Pochampalli. The threads which are used in Pochampalli are basically skin, silk, cotton, wool, etc. What is weaving? Weaving is basically a process of forming a cloth by joining different threads. The person who weaves the fabric is called the weaver, and the cloth which is made out of it is a special kind of a cloth. Process of weaving. What is the process of weaving? In process of weaving, we put the bundle of thread in the boiling water to wash away the dirt. After that, we take it and dye that thread with the bright colors, and then this thread is dried and rolled into bundles, and then these bundles are locked up into looms and cloth are woven, which makes this process a unique combination of weaving a cloth. Some more handicrafts which we see are which are made out of hands are Madhubani painting, Assam silk, Kulu shawls and Kashmiri embroideries. Why this traditional craft of Pochampalli is in danger? It takes so many days of hard work to do this small work, but it is very difficult if they don't get a good price. Big shopkeepers generally do like this. They get these saris cloth at low prices and sell them at high prices by making a good profit. As we all know, the silk is becoming expensive day by day because of the rearing of the silk worm. That is why the silk products are very expensive and it costs a lot to buy them. So many farmers are basically giving up their jobs and they are moving towards town to earn money. That is why this art is basically in danger. Displacement of weavers. Many weavers are leaving this job and they are going to work as a laborer in the big cities. We have to solve this problem. Otherwise, we will fail to preserve this art in our country. So we should do this thing more often. Otherwise, the precious craft will be lost forever. Thank you, kids. I hope you have understood the chapter of Pochampalli.